Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:" and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C:/bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.olg, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.